Hi, Lina. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Uh, Lina, so I was going through your resume. It's a feel, that you're a potential candidate. So we decided to take your interview. So it's okay. We can proceed for further round of interview.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. So Lina, can you give your introduction, your education experience, your background? See, the team and me can understand about your details.
Yeah, sure. First of all, I would like to wish you a good morning. And it's a pleasure to introduce myself over here. My name is Leena, and I am from Delhi. I have done my graduation, and I have around 3.4 years of experience as a data analyst using SQL, Excel, Tableau, PPT, and Python. And when I come to my daily tasks involved, so I used to communicate with different clients and stakeholders. We used to with their managers, and we used to understand the business requirements related to the data. So, and I'm well versed in Microsoft Excel, SQL Server, and we used to extract the data from different sources and manipulate data from database. When I use SQL, and I have used SQL joins, set operator, stored procedure, and where clause, having clause, group by, and ranking and building complex queries. I have also a good knowledge of MS Excel, and I have worked using Excel filter, data validation, conditional formatting, and different functions like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and pivot table, pivot charts, report, and dashboard creation. And I also have experience and a good knowledge of data visualization tool like Tableau, where I build report and a dashboard and stored with the concern and shared with the concerned team. I have a good knowledge of the Python, and I know Matplotlib, NumPy, and Pandas. And in my free time, I used to go for walk, and sometimes I used to surf the internet for the knowledge.
Okay. You're working currently in Amazon as a data analyst, correct?
Yes.
But why you are planning to leave such a very good company, Amazon? Everybody has a dream to enter the company, but you are in good company, good profile. Also, it looks like you are getting good package. Why you are planning to change?
So right now, as per my growth aspect, I want to switch first of all. Right now, here also, I'm doing many things, but still, I want to enhance my skills, and I have add on some few skills in my uh, current resume also. So I want to explore that outside my this company. That's why.
Okay. No issue. Lena, coming to the database, which database you're using?
Right now, I am using SQL Server.
Okay, SQL, sir. Microsoft database you are
Yeah,
using.
Microsoft.
How Microsoft is different from other database?
So when I come to Microsoft SQL Server, with the help of this, we can uh, easily filter the data, and if we want to uh, put any condition like where I want to specify the cities in the table, and where I want to check the specific salary of the customers. So I feel like this is one of the best tool, and this is quite helping for me.
Okay. May I know the list of data type in SQL server you're using, and how frequently you are using, what are the uh, input and the data type? Can you make a list?
Yeah, sure. So there are few different types of data types which we use in SQL. So decimal, char, varchar, int, date, and there are many more. which I use.
Okay. What is wire clutch and what are the different operator in a wire clutch?
So, with the help of where clause, we can specify the condition as an if I would like to give an example over here. So if I want to get the data from the table where the column name is specifically the product type, and I want a specific product out of that column. So for that, I can use the where clause.
Okay. What is the difference between delete, drop, and truncate?
Okay. So with the help of delete, we can delete the table structure, specific columns in the table, and also the table, and truncate. With the help of truncate, we used to delete the uh, with the help of truncate, we can delete the columns, specific columns in the table, and drop. With the help of drop, we can drop the entire table.
Okay. What is the difference between hubbing clutch and wire clutch?
Okay. So having clause, when we want to specify one more condition in the query. So for that specifically, with where clause, we used to add on the having clause.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know SQL functions? What are the different type of functions in SQL?
So SQL functions. Yeah. In SQL functions, we use different kind of functions like set operators.
Function like minimum, maximum. What are the different?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, actually, we do have different type of SQL functions like minimum, maximum, count, sum.
Okay. Like SQL function is classified into two types: aggregate function and a scalar
Yeah,
function.
scalar function. Yeah.
Under aggregate function, minimum, maximum, average, sum, count we are using, and scalar function, there's a number of uppercase, lowercase, substring that we do use. Okay, no issue. In Excel, coming to Excel, Microsoft Excel, what is VLOOKUP and what are the VLOOKUP formula?
So VLOOKUP formula is uh, can I write that in chat box?
Yeah, you can write chat box.
Okay.
Okay, all right. What is the maximum size of a data we can store in Microsoft Excel?
Maximum size of data we can store in the Microsoft Excel. So it's 16,438 something.
Okay. Check once this meeting is over, you can check what is the maximum data we can store in Microsoft Excel. What is slicer? What a slicer is taking, major role in while building dashboard.
So we use slicer to perform the different functions all together in our dashboard, and with the help of slicer, we can see the multiple functions in our all the charts.
Okay. How to build a pivot table? What are the four major attributes in pivot table?
So four measures in pivot tables are the columns, rows, and columns, rows, and data type. And there is one more. And for building the pivot table, in pivot table, we need to specify the columns as per our requirements, and with the once our table is built, and after that we used to present it in the graphical form.
Okay. So do you have knowledge on data visualization to Tableau?
Yeah, I do have a knowledge of that.
Okay. What is a Tableau product or family? Can you explain?
So yeah, Tableau product family consists of 5 in total. So one is Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau reader, Tableau public, and there is one more.
Okay, no issue.
Yeah.
What is live and extract in Tableau?
So there are 2 types of data in the Tableau. One is live and one is extract. So live is basically we used to fetch the data directly from one platform, and extract is basically we used to get the data, specific data from a team, and we used to work on that. In the live data, we can add the data, but in extract we cannot add a few more columns and specific data in that.
Okay, you check once also. What are the different filter you use in Tableau?
Different filters. So filters which we use in Tableau are basically
Okay, no issue. Okay, just example, quick filter, filter and dimension, filter and measure, another few more also there.
yeah, I can tell like in dimensions, we do have a text and geographical values. And
Alright.
in the dimensions, we do have number, float values, and figures.
Okay, okay. So, coming to this data transformation, do you have knowledge on data mapping, data transformation also?
Yeah, I do have a knowledge on data transformation.
So, what is your strength, Lina?
So my strength is basically to lead a company, to lead a team very patiently, and uh, manage a team, and to gather all the knowledge in the one place. And uh,
Okay, what is the
yeah,
team strength right now? You are handling the team?
so it's a strength of 13 people.
Strength of 13. Okay. What are you expecting from us if you are getting selected for your next role? What are you expecting?
Expectation as in?
What are you expecting from our company?
So yeah, I'm expecting a well-versed role from the company, in which I can explore my skills, and where I can grow and learn some new skills also.
All right. Do you have any question, Lina, for me, for us?
Yeah, I would like to know when I can have the next round of interview.
Yeah. So we are going through a few more round, a few more candidates there. Once the profile shortlist, we'll call you. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Lina. Thanks. Have a good day.